Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python SQL practical series. In practical number 10, we have to write a program to count the number of vowels in user's enter string. So first we will go to our browser. I will search for Colab. Then I will open the Google Colab. The new node. So this will be our practical number 10. So I will just write practical number. So here I can write practical number 10 and write a Python program. Count the number of vowels. In a user entered string. So for this we will first define a function to count the number of vowels. For this I will write first def, then function name is count vowels, and it should be a string. Vowels equal to a I O U, then small so vowels is our variable and we have written in small and caps both. So if there is any vowels present in capital letter, small letter, it will be counted. So vowel, then count 0, then for char in string, now if the character, so if char in vowels vowel 1, we will return the function. If character in the vowels is, if there is any character in vowels, then it will represent as vowel count plus 1. Okay, so there is one t extra here, so I will return vowel count. So this was our function of count. Okay, so now we have to input a string. So user enter a string. Now we have to call the function. So to call the function vowel underscore count equal to, so we will write this count vowels. We have to write this user input. So now we have to display the result. To display, we have to print. We can use this formatted string and write number of vowels in the string. Curly braces, we have to write the vowel count. Now if I execute this program, so the final program is this one. So this user input, vowel and print should be come in this line of D, and this vowel count has to be in small v and c. So this vowel count should be equal to this one. Okay, so if I now press shift plus enter, if I put hello here, E, then L O, center, so I will get number of vowels in this range is 2, that is E and O. Suppose if I write information, if I write some in capital, some in small, suppose if I write this O in capital and A in capital, even then it will count because we have used both capital and small A, E, I, O, U. So if I press this, number of vowels in this string is 5. So if you can count I, then we have O 2, then A3, then I4, O5. So this way we can count the number of vowels in the string. So I hope this is practical number 10. See you in the next practical. Thank you very much.